Hey, how's it going, guys? Assad here, and you're gonna learn about char-at method. It's a method of string object, or you can say string constructor, which it does is, UTF-14 and 16, the code allocated. So what it does, it will find those characters and find the index of it. Let me show you. Think that what we're gonna do is var sentence and now what we're gonna do is type the something like so. I created a sentence, and now what we're gonna do, create another var index equals 4, and now log it on a console, and let me show you one thing. Use the prototype for that string. The prototype of string is sentence dot char at and pass index. So what gonna happen is show the index of that. So let me show that m, because it's in the fourth, the usual way to count strings 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. And that way we can do this. So that's it for today's video, guys. See you guys next time.